great lady. Your boyfriend wanna be me, you go out of your way to make sure you don't see me. You should break it with your boyfriend.